Okay, I'm back in here in the garage working on the 55 patina build, working on getting these headlights wired in. I got the male and female plugs here that I'm using to get all wired up. Here they are. This is the low beam. I'll go ahead and show you the high beam. There's the high beam, and this circle all the way around this eye, this right here will flash when the turn signals are on. I've got to wire those right here. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be getting those put in and then getting the lower one put in as well for the turn signal on the lower side. So that's what we're working on right now. Okay, I've got this one in, all wired in. It's got the halo ring all the way around it. Now I'll have the wife over there. Go ahead and hit the turn signal. So you see you have both the top halo and the turn signal working at the same time. So there's the turn signals for the front. I've got to finish the other side over there, but that's it. So now to get the other side looking just like that side. Okay, got both of them in now. I've still got to put the chrome rings on. So let's go ahead and turn on the running lights first. You can see it's got the halo on both sides. Then the headlights, which those are low beams, and then flip to high beams. And then right turn signal and left turn signal. Now turn the headlights off, all the way off, and then do left turn signal and right turn signal. And there it is. They both work. Got them both wired in. And that's going to be it for this video of the Ford F-100 patina headlight, guess you could call it headlight mounting. And that's going to be it. And after that, I'm going to be working on getting all the hood latches and everything where it needs to be. Had some issues with the lining up on this. Had a tilt reverse style hood on it, but I would rather go with this factory style because I know that's going to be working every time. But just a little update so you can see the progress under the hood. Everything looks nice. Going along to the inside, some things I'm working on, a bunch of dust in the floor. There you have it. I still got to fix the bottom of the doors, both the bottom inside and outside. I have those pieces. There's the outside pieces. There's the rings, power windows, and one-piece kit. So that's what I'm going to be working on after that. But that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions over anything you've seen in this video. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.